Beyonce disses Jay-Z for cheating on her in their new surprise album. Plus, we finally learned how they first met, and it's pretty strange. Hey guys, it's Ali for Hollywoodlife, and Beyonce and Jay-Z just surprised us all when they dropped their joint album called Everything Is Love while touring in Europe. Along with 9 new songs, Bey and Jay released a music video for Ape Shit that was actually filmed at the Louvre Museum in Paris. And when Jay and Bey walked in, the Mona Lisa was like... Jimmy Fallon also reveals how other pieces of art reacted.
Van Gogh's self-portrait said, "I might only have one ear, but I can still tell this album is lit AF." We're basically the Beyonce and Jay-Z of the art world. Wow. Game respecting game.
But okay, much like Lemonade and 444, Everything Is Love celebrates their relationship journey. Bey literally raps on Ape Shit, "I can't believe we made it." Up until now, Bey and Jay haven't really shared how they first met and started dating. But thanks to 713, Jay raps about meeting Bey for the first time back in 2000 during an MTV spring break in Mexico. 2 years later, they rekindled, and Jay describes the date singing, "I let you set the date, Nobu on the plate. I brought my dude to play it cool, my first foolish mistake." Wait, did Jay really admit to bringing a friend on his very first date with Beyonce? Come on, Jay. We're talking about the Queen Bee here. No wonder they kept this all a secret. But okay, Jay hasn't kept his infidelity a secret and has previously said how he and Bey worked through it.
We were using our art almost like a therapy session, and we started making music together.
We're hearing exclusively Beyonce and Jay-Z like using their music as relationship therapy. They put all their feelings out there and it helps them work through their issues. In LoveHappy, Beyonce is doing just that. She calls out Jay for cheating, singing, "Yeah, you fucked up the first stone, we had to get remarried." She goes on to say, "We keeping it real with these people, right? Lucky I didn't kill you when I met that bitch." Cue Becky with the good hair. But the power couple found healing as Beyonce sings, "We're flawed, but we still perfect for each other." Aww. We're hearing exclusively the rap king and queen's marriage is actually stronger than ever, especially after they collaborated on this album. The two are so crazy in love, we hear Bey is actually talking about having another baby. In fact, the number 4 is really special to Bey. She was born on September 4th. Her husband was born on December 4th. Their daughter's middle name, Ivy, is named after the Roman numeral 4, and they both have a number 4 tattooed on their hands. So Everything Is Love has definitely helped Bey and Jay move forward in their relationship. I wonder what it would be like if Chloe and Tristan worked on an album together. But okay, click up here to subscribe, and I'm about to go on a date, hoping a friend tags along because then I'll know he's the right one. Yeah, right.